occupation, no for racism, no for this march. The march is not only a provocation, as somebody says. It is a translation of the occupation and the dictation of sovereignty in East Jerusalem. Now there will be a march of flags. The only flag legitimate here in Bab al-Amud is the Palestinian flag. The Israeli flag here is a symbol of occupation. The joint list is saying no to this march, no to racism, no to occupation, and East Jerusalem should be the capital of the independent Palestinian state. That's why we are telling that Naftali Bennett adopted the same decision of Benjamin Netanyahu. It seems that in these issues, national and political issues, there is no change as they are claiming. No change. That's why we are here in order to say loudly, stop this march, stop this provocation, stop the eviction of Sheikh Jarrah, stop the eviction of Silwan, leave East Jerusalem. Here today in order